Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic of discussion is composition of bony pelvis. Study of bony pelvis is essential from obstetric point of view because maternal pelvis anatomy is basic, fundamental and essential topic. Every obstetrician need to know and learn thoroughly and practice every day to become more perfect. So, architecture of maternal pelvis is extremely important to understand the mechanism of labor and to assess the success of vaginal delivery. Bony pelvis is composed of two innominate bones, also known as right and left hip bones. Number 2 is sacrum and third is coccyx, which is also known as tailbone. Each innominate bone is formed by fusion of three bones. One is ilium, which is larger flared out part. Number 2 is ischium, which is thick lower part. And third is pubis, which form anterior part of hip bone. These bones are joined together at four joints. These pelvic joints have a limited degree of mobility but can relax remarkably during pregnancy and delivery. There is one joint interiorly which is known as pubic symphysis. It is a joint located in middle of pelvis that connects the left and right pelvic bones by fibrocartilage, and posteriorly two sacroiliac joints and one sacrococcygeal joint. Sacroiliac joints are right and left sacroiliac joints, which is formed between ala of sacrum and ilium of hip bone. These joints connect the lower spine to pelvis, and sacrococcygeal joint is an articulation between apex of sacrum and base of coccyx. Now, description of sacrum and coccyx. Sacrum bone is positioned at the base of vertebral column. More specifically, it is located between right and left iliac bones of the hip and below the last lumbar vertebra. Sacrum is a triangular bone made up of 5 fused vertebrae. Sacral promontory represents interior border of upper part of sacrum. Anteriorly, sacrum consists of central mass, two rows of 4 interior sacral foramina, 2 lateral masses, and 2 ala of sacrum. Ala of sacrum are superior aspects of lateral masses. Posteriorly, sacrum consists of a sacral canal, 2 rows of posterior sacral foramina, a sacral hiatus which transmits fifth sacral nerve, sacral cornu, and superior articular facets. Now we will discuss coccyx. Coccyx or tailbone. Coccyx is the last bone at the base of vertebral column. It is small, triangular, curved bone that is made up of 3 to 5 fused vertebrae. Now we will discuss two important ligaments of pelvic bone, sacrospinous and sacrotuberous ligament. Both ligaments assist in the stability of pelvic bone and work together to prevent rotation of ilium and prevent excessive twisting of the pelvis. Sacrospinous ligament originates from the lateral margin of sacrum and coccyx and inserts at the ischial spine. Second is the sacrospinous ligament. Sacrospinous ligament originates from the sacrum, coccyx, ilium and sacroiliac joint capsule and inserts into the ischial tuberosity.